Originally designed to answer a need in the demanding world of the superyacht industry, Fastmount created a unique fastening system that combines the perfect finish for panel mounting and allows access to hidden services. It's now becoming the preferred system for discerning designers and architects around the world due to its precise alignment, speed, and versatility of installment. The Fastmount hidden panel mounting system is centered around a unique set of interchangeable clips, enabling a complete rethink of the paneling process. With the recent addition of the award-winning Strat-Lock rail system, renowned architects are choosing to specify Fastmount panel mounting systems as standard for its accuracy of framing and mounting, as well as its rapid installation, which means faster build time for their clients. Using lightweight extrusions to set out framing, the new Strat-Lock rail system features connectors that make walls and ceiling framework fast and easy to install. Combined with the Strat-Lock range of panel installation, you've got an integrated and simple-to-use system for interior fit-outs. Other advantages of the Fastmount system are flexibility of alignment, producing flawless negative detailing, hidden fixings, and secure non-sequential panel mounting. Fastmount systems are ideal for situations where panels need to be removed for access to services or upholstery detached for cleaning. From the original designs, Fastmount has invested heavily in R&D and now have 8 ranges to suit specific install requirements. Whether it's a screw fix, glue fix, or a fabric attachment for upholstery. Secure panel restraint systems assure safety with suspended panels and ease of access to services. And now even suspended ceilings can be created using the Strat-Lock system. Fastmount, the original multi-award winning hidden fastening system for removable panels.